Good morning. I'm standing on the beach at sunrise in Hastings Point in northern New South Wales. Beautiful place. And I've come here today to catch up with someone I've been trying to catch up with for 6 months, but our schedules just have not aligned. But they did today, and I'm so excited to introduce you to Peter Dinham, who is a nature artist. What this guy can do with a rake and a bit of sand is absolutely amazing. If you love crop circles, you've just got to check this out. So here we are, sunrise, Hastings Point, and I'm so excited to show you what this guy does. I'm so excited. I'm actually here with Pete. So Pete, I want to ask you a couple of questions.
Yeah.
That was absolutely amazing. I love watching you do that.
I'm glad you like
and it didn't even really take that long.
No.
So I have to ask you, how on earth did you start? Just what made you get out there and do that?
Just drawing pictures in the sand with my hand and sticks and different stuff, and then I put a rake to do better, bigger, and better.
Is that it?
Yes,
oh, cool. And I'm so amazed at how perfect it looks. Like your perception of is awesome.
Yeah,
Because I tried to do a little circle with rocks just as an art thing, and then I got up and looked over the top and I went, nah, that's not even in balance. For you, it was perfect the way that you did it.
Probably not perfect, but I don't know. I really don't know.
You don't know?
I just step it out, count it out, and seems to work. I always watch in front of where I'm going. I don't watch what I'm doing. I'm in front.
Yeah, we did notice that.
Always looking ahead. Yeah.
Okay. And what's your inspiration? So why do you do it?
For my pictures and that, just nature. I just love nature. I love seeing the sun. What I'm finding too is it's helping a lot of people.
Yeah.
Bring a lot of kids out creating.
So it's helping them sort of connect with nature.
I think so. Yeah. That's what I found in the last week or so.
Yeah. So you've done a bit of work with Camp Quality and
We've done a few camps with them, and that's amazing.
and little workshops, because I was very lucky to come the other day and do a rock balancing workshop with you. So you do your sand art and you do your rock balancing, which to me was like a form of meditation. So great way to get the kids outdoors and connecting with nature and balancing, which is you just feel good. You feel fantastic. So you're doing an amazing work with what you do. So Pete, where do you want to go with it?
I just want to be able to live doing what I love doing. That's my main aim. There's a little niche there somewhere, and we'll find it. Yeah,
living the dream, totally living the dream. And you're a fellow nomad like me with your lovely wife Jetta, who's the drone operator, and we'll put a bit of her footage on the video as well.
Good. Yeah.
So I am just so blessed to have actually been able to come down and witness you doing this today. So thank you so much for having me.
Oh, you're welcome. It was good.
It was good fun.
Thank you.
And I reckon Pete deserves to go in my local Legends Hall of Fame for sure. What do you guys reckon? Give him a like. I'll put Pete's Facebook details in the comments below, so you can check out his work on Facebook. And yeah, make sure you give him a like, because to me he's really a local legend.